Hello everyone. Today we're going to create a Discord AI agent with Upstream. The objective of this agent is to just talk to people on my Discord server. So the first thing I'm going to do is just create a Discord application and give it a name. In this case, I'm just going to give it a simple name called Upstream Bot. I'm going to give it a description. This is just so users can see. It's not really for our agent code. Now what we need is the agent's token. To get this in the bot tab on the left, we scroll down, just hit reset token for the first time. Make sure you enable all three intent options. They're important for your bot so it can listen to messages. Give the bot some permissions. In this case, just to keep it simple, I'm going to give it the administrator privilege, but all you really need is just send message. In the OAuth 2 panel, all you have to do is give it the bot privilege, and again, just maybe send message might be enough for you. Now we copy the link and open it in another tab. Here we have to specify a server where we want the bot to join. Great, the bot's here. Now let's create our agent to power it. I assume you've already set up USDK, so we just run USDK create. So now we're going to give it a nice prompt so it generates a nice Discord agent. So now it's asking me to provide my Discord bot token. Let's copy the token we previously saved. It's also asking me to specify the channels I'd like the agent to join. In this case, I just wanted to join the general channel, which is the main one. So I'm just gonna write that down. The interviewers updated the agent. I'm just gonna push it to complete it fast. Now it's generating the agent, just installing some dependencies. We should be ready. So the agent's complete. First we navigate to the agent directory, then we run USDK chat. The bot starts running locally, and now we can just test out our bot by tagging it in the channel and talking to it. The bot is typing now, and there you go. It's answered through the agent. So the server for the agent is running locally right now. If you want to have this work in the cloud, all you have to do is run USDK deploy, and that's it. That's how you make a Discord agent in under 5 minutes with Upstream USDK. Thanks for watching.